Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video, we will go for a new AI website. This website, it helps students mainly, but it can help anyone else. Like in student, for example, we are saying bachelor degree, master degree, researcher. Also earlier classes they can get use of it. Also people they are using, for example, PDF, and they don't want to read a hectic PDF, so they will go to this website. At least they will get clarity on what is the PDF about. So and instead of just going along with this, we will just try to explore it here. Then we'll see what is this NoteGPT. So what you need to write, you just need to write NoteGPT here, IO, and you click this hyperlink. So we'll go here and we'll click it. So here, you can get it from here normally. We'll see here YouTube video summarizer and others, and you can see here presentation, PDF, study, writer, AI tools, and pricing. So we will just stick to the free package, but we will go for try now free. We are clicking here. So it seems it takes long, but we can just get it again back here. And what I will do, I will just, for example, choose here. Then I will go for this PDF to video. So you can see here, we have some icons on our left here. We have some icons, and here also we have icons. Those icons, they are related just to PDF, and this is what we would explain today mainly. But it's up to you. You can go and explore more. So you can see here, you can chat with PDF. If you click here, you can just go here and you can upload or choose a file. If you go back, or you can come either from here or back, but I would prefer to go back. So also here a PDF summarizer, so you can get summarizer. You choose a file, then you will get summary. Maybe we'll try also this, but let me just try the main. Then PDF translator, you can check if you're, the language you want to translate from and to, they are there already. And AI PDF reader and resume builder, and this is what we explain. We will explain now, but I will just jump two more, and then I will say we'll come back. And this is the explainer, video maker, and animation maker, and converter. Here, converter, you can just see you can convert PDF to those type. But we will go again here, and this is what we need for now. This is what I'm focusing, because we said it's more for students and those people they are in school, so they can get use of it. So you click here, just here, and you need to upload a PDF here. What I will do, I will upload a PDF, and you can exceed just like up to 80 pages. So what I prefer to students, they should not put the full PDF, even if it is less than 80 pages. What's focus, for example, their class today, it was, for example, say 20 pages, so they will just put the 20 pages here, so at least they can understand what was the class about. So I will just upload a PDF here, then we'll see what we have. I have uploaded the file. I have uploaded the file, and you can just have a look here. It is this one. It's about recruitment and selection for HR thing, but I just give it from, or I get it from internet. So just to make an example, and we will see what the website can do. Here you can go for this ratio. You can choose the ratio, but I will keep it as the same. I don't care much. And here you will go for the timing. So you can go maximum to 10 to 15 minutes. But to me, just to make it for now, I would pick up like this 5 to 7 minutes. Then I will click here. Then I can go for generate video. So first they will analyze the content, then they will generate voiceover, then they will go for final video. What's the point here? For example, you are on a metro, or you are on a train or bus, or you are busy, at least you can put your headphones and you can understand in the beginning stages what's this PDF or this pages, for example, today class about. until you get time or fixed time or a place that you can do your studies. So let's wait and we will see what's the outcome of this video. Then we'll be back. After finishing, we can see here is the video and it's almost 8 minutes. I don't know. I do believe I put it from 5 to 7, but if it is 8, also it's fine. Also, from here you can get copy, and here you can download it. Just will see and listen, like for just like few seconds or something like this. And before we start, I like what they put here, why recruitment matters. This is a good one. Also, the images, they have it in this, it's good. Also, you can here see they are writing what they are reading. So let's just
Selection are at the heart of human resource management. For any organization that values its people as a key competitive advantage, attracting, choosing, and keeping the right talent is crucial. The process goes far beyond simply filling vacancies. It's about building a committed skills. Many employers now seek adaptable candidates with the right attitude and motivation, rather than just specific expertise. Once a vacancy is confirmed, companies must decide how to advertise it. Will the job be posted internally or externally? Internal ads might use the company intranet or notice boards, while external ads could appear in newspapers, job sites, or social media.
Okay, now we could see that there is a video and you can at least get a clue of what's the PDF of, or for example, if we just apply this example for an HR or recruitment, and they need just to do orientation to other staff or for HR team, so they can use this website. And here you can transcript, you can see also here uh, that transcript, also the timing. um, this is um, this is also likable, so for students they can get more clarity if they need notes, so instead of just listening and they get the notes, so they can get the notes from here. So this is for video, but let's go for another one. Let's me go for example for any other one. Let me just go for example this PDF summarizer. I will go here, and what we will do, also this is also for students good one. So we'll choose the same file and I will put it here just for AZ task. Here we have already uploaded the PDF or the file, and here convert to text. They put it in text. You can go here and you can see the summary. Um, they will give you the summary, so they are mentioning what's the summary. Chapter 2 provide whatever. This also you can go for you can see the summary is maximized how by how or time by time, so until this is done. So you can also do regenerate, also you can get copy of it. um, Also here you can go for mind map. You can just go here very quickly and you can see what's the summary you get down from this. You can get this. This is highlights and this is key insights. um, you can also expanded analysis, so you can just go and you understand it. This is a great way. I believe now students they need to get some study smarter, because with time, with many PDF, with many schools, with many subjects, some students they are complaining there is no time, but here at least you can get clue and you can understand what's this class or slide or PDF it's about. Also here you can go for mind map. So we'll see what's the mind map looks like. Also you can hear AI chat, so you can chat directly with the PDF itself. So let's wait here somehow to get what's the mind map for this 20 pages, which is again and again I'm saying this, it's about this PDF, which is about recruitment and selection. So let me just go back. We'll see what we have. So we are waiting somehow. I believe it would come soon. We can see this the detailed mind map. I like it is somehow detailed, so you can just see how is it. Let me try to see. This is the selection, and you can see from here, chapter 2, the recruitment and selection. Let me just put it in someone where it can be more visible to you. Yes, This is recruitment and selection. Then you can go for selection, and you can see how is the detailed um, mind map. It's likable to me, and it can give good clarity for students or for those people they are looking for the information over the um, PDF itself, so they can get what's the this. For example, those are recruitment techniques. Here you can just hide them. Here you can just let them be seen, visible. That's it. Also here you can go for AI chat. So again and again, you need just to go and explore what is this website. I find it very likable. Also, you can go for video maker, video animation, and all those. Just we are using one icon, which is PDF, but also you can go here for AI writer, so they can get some writing for you. AI study, you need just to check it if it is free or no, because they have some free package and some unfree package. I didn't explore it, but you can explore it yourself. Here also AI voice, here AI summarizer, those AI YouTube. So if you just click here, for example, let's see, so this is YouTube video. So for example, you have a long video and you need just to get the clue what's this video about. So you just get it, the link, you just put here the link, and then you can get the things and what's the video is about. You have here 12 quotas. So this is a free package, so you can also use this. Thank you for today's video, and I hope that you can get use of it. Either you are students or you are in other field, but you can use this. I believe this Note GPT somehow is good, and it saves sometimes, especially those times when you are unwell settled with study and, for example, calm place. For example, you are in transportation or somewhere else, you can get of it. Also, the PDF which we have made the recruitment, it's also used for companies so they can oriented their team. Thank you for today's video, and I would see you hopefully for the next video. Goodbye.